Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to copy your Twitter profile URL from the Twitter app. Okay, so if that sounds like what you are interested in, continue watching. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have the app on your phone. Okay, so if you don't have the app on your phone, you're going to go download it on Google Play Store. Okay, so I have the app already on my phone. I have the Twitter app already on my phone. Let's get Twitter. Alright, so this is the Twitter app. You tap the app to open. Once you tap on it, you go to those three lines here. Okay, you tap on it, then you go to profile. Okay, you tap on it. Now this is the page. Okay, so to copy this page link, okay, what you're going to do is to go to any post or any tweet, okay, any of the tweets, then you go to this share button here, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, next you go to copy link. Okay, so you tap on copy link. All right, so we are going to paste this link somewhere. So let's go to WhatsApp and paste the link on WhatsApp. You can also paste it on a browser, Google Chrome browser or any browser, but let's use WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp. So once it opens, we are going to send it to someone. Okay, let's send it to someone. So let's paste it here. Okay, so this is the link. So once you paste the link, what you're going to do is to erase this number up to status. Okay, let's erase it. Let's clean it up to status. Okay, so once you erase it, okay, we are left with the twitter.com with your username. Okay, so once you send this to anyone or you paste it on a browser, let's send it. Let me tap to send. As you guys can see, it's highlighted here. So this is your profile URL. This link will take you directly to your Twitter page. Okay, so this is your profile URL here. So let's tap on this link here. Once you tap on the link, it will take you directly to your Twitter page. All right, so let's tap on this link here. So as you guys can see, it has taken me to my Twitter page. So this is how you can copy your Twitter profile URL from the app, okay, or from the Twitter app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day.